Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be making some terrain pieces for Warhammer 40k and your military tabletop games. I'm going to be taking this coffee tin and turning it into this. Let's get started. Now I need to cut foam at 2 inches by 2 inches by 6 1/4 inch, which is the size of the coffee can. My main idea and what I was going for was this military tent on some shipping containers. Now this is more wider rather than tall, but it's perfect for what I was looking for. I used Gorilla wood glue as it seems to be the best for me. I also had to use some tape to keep it from sliding around and out of place. Next is to cut the coffee can. This particular brand has the best shape and all the others seem to be plastic or oddly shaped. It's pretty simple to cut since it's cardboard on the sides. Just score it a few times and on the bottom where it's metal, just score that as well. You might need to get a good cutter for the metal ring on the top, but other than that, it was pretty easy to cut. Now it's time to make the containers, siding, or the corrugation as it's known. The corrugation was pretty easy to make. So I think I figured out an easy way to get the corrugation look and figured out how to get that paper off without doing too much damage. The way that I figured out was if I take this pencil or a pencil, I just run it up the corrugation, it kind of peels the paper off. A little bit more damage and you have to be careful. That's actually looking pretty good. Now for the tarp, I went with the paper and watered down glue and made sure that the twine that I placed beforehand on the coffee can was centered with glue, of course. I wanted a structure underneath to make it look like the structures of the military tent with all those different trusses. But as I was playing around, it looked a little cramped on the can and it wasn't looking that good, so I kept it just one in the center. Next time if I do this, I will most definitely do 2 more. For the last little bit, I added the corners to the top of the bottom of the containers, which I thought was going to be dreadful. But I acquired a tool that cuts perforations into the cardboard to have it bend both ways, which was a nice look in my opinion. Now for painting, I decided to spray paint them in a nice satin white for both the containers and the coffee can. Then I mix a tannish color and some dark olive color for the containers. For the most part, it turned out pretty good. I was able to make a ground level tent that was the other half of the coffee can, obviously. So now we got everything painted up. I'm going to do some touch-ups after I put it together. So this needs to sit, I'm just going to place it right along this edge here and on this side as well, just inside there. Overall, I really enjoyed this project and I hope to be making more with more trash. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.